Hello guys, omo body dey sweet me like mad as I dey here for this our match wey we just play now. The thing just dey sweet me say Arsenal win and I dey try to add Baba Sato for this match, so I no know how una take see am. How una take see today match wey we play now? Omo, our network just dey disturb us so I don't know how I wan take do am. That's why I say make I just go live normal for here, make I see how the match take go, because you know say today match wey we just play, Arsenal win 3-1. So I don't know how una take see today match, the way we take play. So how una take see am na? The match make sense abi? Because the way Arsenal take play, omo, I gbadu the match. Chris Bango, I dey feel you na. Baba say congratulations. Omo, as the match take do you na so e take do me o. The thing just dey burst my head, dey sweet me die. I just gbadu am and I dey very very happy today for the way Arsenal take play. Oluwen, I dey feel you na. Baba say e dey very happy. As you take dey happy na so me sef I take dey happy. Na so e suppose to be. We and these people we no be mates na. So na so e just be. Dem be shit packer where we dey na. We no be mates. We suppose to dey knack dem anytime wey we see. Only say if dem meet us, dem come dey form like say dem be one kind jagaban, like say dem sabi play. We no be mates on a good day. So that's just the thing. We pass dem. God pass dem. I be wan make Baba Sato come join me for this live. I no come see am. Make I check. Oluwen, I say you wan join me for the live, but yeah, make I hear you na, Baba. Make I add you. I wan add Oluwen for the live now. Connection failed. E no enter. Yeah. Make I see another person sef dey. Okay, Victor Chukwugene. Make I check whether e go join. Kizibango watching you from Uganda. Confirm. I dey feel you. Comrade Godwin, they played well na so na normal level. Shobu Ezema, nice one. Henry Shaya, confirm. I dey feel you na. Prince Oluwaseun, can I join you? Baba, if you join me na free na, they no dey pay money na. Send me request if you wan join me. Just send me request. I go put you on. You go enter. So I say just be. Prince Roland say, I swear that match we play like mad. Man, see that your comment again. We play. Now this kind of joy we deserve, Baba. Na so it's supposed to be now. Now this kind of joy. Because the thing they do me, the thing they bust my belly. They sweet me now. So we're supposed to they win all these kind of small people. The one where they vex me now, the match against Brighton we will play. That Brighton match, make sense. We're not supposed to they play draw with Brighton. Can't go play draw with Crystal Palace again. And that one I made me vex. If they say we win those ones, can't win this final one if it makes sense. So now so it just be. Now Baba Sato I be one making join me for this live update too. I no can't know what's up. No can't join me. Mayor of Lagos, I'm so happy tonight. Let's focus on the next game, getting stronger. The next game go hard though. You know who they play next? We play Leicester City. Leicester wey dey hot. You know wetin Leicester do Manchester United? Leicester dey para na. But I just feel say if we catch that Leicester, and be like say I don't even know whether na home we go play or whether na away we dey go sef. If I check am, I go know. But I just feel say if we catch Leicester na people will say on a good day suppose to fit knack them na. They be smallie na. Forget this season gone, they no good. So if we catch them, we suppose to knack them. Fashola say up Gunners. Man, see that Fashola comment again. Mayor say I'm so happy. It's Austin say comfortable win, confirm. Andrew John say up Gunners. Prince Oluwaseun Olayemi say if say we win last match, there your comment don disappear. Comments plenty. There your comment don disappear. The match give me joy, Baba. I dey see am. Up Gunners na Crystal Palace pay me, Baba. Na so na the thing say pay me. If the so we win that Crystal Palace, come win Brighton, by now we go don dey high up for table. That's the thing. But now we go dey that kind 9th. So na 9th we go dey. So we no get choice now. We go manage am. You get? So na the thing just be. Make I check who wan join me. Francisco. Their friends won't be able to watch. Okay. Francisco. Make I add Francisco. Comment failed. Wow. For person who won't join me. All those people they say Arteta out. Man, I just get small patience. Yeah. More they trust the process they go. One day, everything go dey rosy, everything go dey better. That's just the thing. We no fit kill ourselves. This Arsenal we see. Now see our club, we gats love am. You get? So we can't come and say okay because of the way they do, we can't leave them. Okay, somebody say not Leicester, it's Leeds. Okay. I think na Leicester will dey play safe. Okay, Leeds. They go chop am with that now. If na Leeds na shit packer na, they go pack and give them. We don score 3-1 now. Maybe against Leeds we get like 4. It's not too good like that now. Even though they are Leeds. Leeds. Shebi na Marcelo Bielsa be their manager. I don't even forget safe. I don't forget. But Leeds safe anyway. I no wan know who dem be. As long as say na for Emirates they come wipe them, they go chop am. That's my own joy. Look at see who dey talk say we need Lacazette. Somebody say we need Lacazette. Okay, Afunwa Elutana say we need Lacazette. Confirm. That's what it's supposed to be. Ogunbade Gbenga Thomas, thumbs up. Baba, I dey feel you now. I dey feel you. Confirm. All Arsenal fans, I dey feel all of una. At least sometimes we no supposed to dey cry every time now. Days like this go dey wey be say we go dey very happy. You get, we go get joy. So na so it's supposed to be. I dey very short. I dey highly happy this night now. I will just cool down, go bath, come sleep very well. You know, my belle go dey sweet me. If I dey give una latest news updates tomorrow, belle go dey sweet me. I go dey smile. No be the one I go come dey vex. Because me say if I don talk am when dem start now, say there is no way we go draw 2. Don't draw the third one now. That one don't be calamity now. So we guys play 2. And then this one will go win am. Then the one where they come and go will go win am. That's what it's supposed to be. So tomorrow now I go feel cool down. Come watch all the match where other people they play. They see how then they scatter themselves. You know, make them they beat those our rival. Make them they lose. Make them they draw. I don't want to make them win at all. So that's what it just be. It's even to say the match was very fantastic. But the match makes sense. I did very happy. So everything go well. Oh, my dear, Okechukwu says, Sachuk, thanks for the good work. Baba, now all of us got that day now. So we don't get this community now. All of us get the same interest. So me, I dey here for now, nothing this up. So my dear football lovers, come on. You don't reach time to go sleep. Oh. Time don't go. Me, I don't know where na from they watch me, but for here now after 10, oh, now 19 minutes after 10. But time don't go, gone. So now time to go sleep now. If to say Baba Sato dey around now, she be na me and him for do this live. But I know to remember. I never even go live like this before, like the first time. Because normally na stream here that they use. They go broadcast my live shows. So maybe once in a while I go to do live like this. They giving maybe breaking news, giving news updates. So that we hear how things they go now. So if na me and Baba Sato just come, just analyze some kind of things, you know. Just do some kind of talking. Moses, you're watching us from Ghana. That's very nice. That's very nice. So Friday talks. I told you Arsenal will win that match. We the Leicester away. We the Leicester away for league. Baba, I don't understand that your comment too. Friday, okay. I told you Leicester will win the match. Well, okay. Afonwa say here it's 3 a.m. Baba, where you dey now? Where you be 3 a.m. Which country you dey? Oh my God. Mohammed say very happy tonight, my brother. I'm from Sierra Leone. That's nice. From Sierra Leone. Me now from Nigeria. From the follow na the yarn now. Ulubayo say you don't try. Good night. My voice don't dey crack. Sef. I can't go sleep. Aliu Ba say it's 2 a.m. here. 2 a.m. Ke. Which country you dey? Where they tell you 2 a.m. And Tijani Adebayo say Gunners for life. Amobi say who win man of the match? Man of the match. Now who go give man of the match like this now? You know say Aubameyang play so tey, you no fit waka again. Lacazette play so tey, you no fit waka again. He can't dey limp. Everybody wey play today, they play with their mind, with their soul. Like you just be like say if they lose, they go die. Because I don already talk am before say a draw is not accepted. A draw is not allowed. Now winning, only win now we need for this match. And I like the way we say all of them come outside. They come play with their hearts and mind and soul to represent this badge, this beautiful badge. See this badge, this sweet badge. God, you have to love this club, unconditional love, whether they lose or whether they win. we gather there. I just love them like mad. So na so e just be. Amobi say here is 1:30 a.m. Amobi, where if dey watch me na where here be 1:30? For here na 10:21 now for Nigeria here we dey. So na so e just be. Alright, my dear football lovers, one more time don go jare, mo go sleep. So tomorrow, so I go fit wake up early tomorrow, come arrange tomorrow news now. When I go sleep jare, una good night. I swallow for una. Salute.